Welcome to my class, the class of English. Today, actually, we are going to continue from where we ended in tenses. Okay, still on the structure. So we are looking at the structure. Okay, so now, if you can remember very well, we were looking at simple tense. Now, how do we use the simple tense? This is what we are going to look at today. How can we use the simple tense? We use the simple present tense when you should note the following. Okay. When one, the action is general. So you can only use the simple present tense when the action is general. Then two, the actions happens all the time or arbitrarily in the past, present, and future. Okay. So the present simple tense can be used when the action happens at all times or arbitrarily in the past, present, and the future. What does that mean? So you can only use that tense if that action happens every time. Okay, whether in a present tense, past tense, or future tense, as long as that particular action happens every time, then you can use the present simple tense or simple present tense. Okay, then the other point, this can be used when there is not only happening now. Okay, the statement is always true. When there is not happening now, then the other one is when the statement is true. That is when you can use the simple present tense. So examples that we can get out of there is, the first one is the one that we have there. John drives a taxi. So John drives a taxi. Remember, this is the third singular person. So no wonder why on the action word you are seeing the es, or rather the s, because drive is spelled as drive. So now s is added there. Why? Because John drives a taxi every day. Okay, so this statement is falling under simple present what? Tense. It is John's job to drive a taxi. Okay, so that is his job. That is what he does every day. Okay, so this is where now we use, when we talk of the auxiliary verb, the one that we looked at last time. This is where now we are going to use it. Words like do, in this case, use does when you are talking about the third singular person in this case. Okay, so this is job. John's job is driving a what? A taxi. It means that is what he does every day. Okay, so he does it every time, every day, past, present, and future, every day. So this is how you can use the present simple tense. Remember, we are still looking at tenses in the structure. So we started with simple tense. So this is how we'll be moving. We have a lot of tenses in English, okay, that we are yet to know. So we are going to learn everything. Thank you so very much for your attention. So actually, I'm going to write some questions based on this lesson. Okay, thank you so very much for your attention.